Good day mga katart! Kung may dessert na literal na melts in your mouth, ito yun! Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng! Quick trip lang tayo from LRT Marikina Station, as in pagbaba mo, tawid ka lang sa may Cubao side, sakay ka ng tricycle, sabihin mo lang Heavenly Desserts, alam na nila. Super accessible lalo na kung galing kang Manila or nearby areas, a few minutes nandito ka na sa Midtown Subdivision. Ngayon bumalik kami dito kasi Christmas season na. Ang perfect gift idea, yung kanilang Sylvanas Box of 4. May 4 silang flavors: cashew, pistachio, French buttercream at tiramisu. Ang gagandang tignan, promise. Unang tinry namin cashew Sylvanas, ang daming roasted cashews. Tapos yung merengue wafer, ang sarap. Tapos may buttery French buttercream sa gitna. Panalo! Pero ito, tiramisu Sylvanas, may cocoa powder coating, merengue wafer. Tapos yung filling, espresso lady fingers with French buttercream. Unique, rich, and addicting. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng pangregalo ngayong Pasko or simply reward sa sarili, try nyo ang Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng dito sa Midtown, Marikina City. Promise, bawat kagat melts in your mouth.